How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to get this out as soon as possible. So this video is going to be a lot shorter than normal, but NIO to launch its first sedan at NIO Day next month. So basically this is just the confirmation that we were waiting for by the co-founder and president of NIO, who is Kin Lihan. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but essentially what this article is saying is that NIO plans to launch its first sedan model at the forthcoming NIO Day that's going to be held, next month. It's actually coming up, guys. We're like 2 weeks away. So the fact that we're just a little over 2 weeks away is very interesting because the price is actually sitting below $50. So it's a really good buy opportunity, especially if you're looking to jump in. Currently, the people driving up the price for NIO, and I know the reason why it's not going up a lot is because it's mostly retail investors or just us, like regular people. Most of us aren't professional investors, so most people have a regular job, and when they get paid, it's on a Friday, and that's Christmas. The market's closed because of Christmas. That means that people who missed out on being able to buy NIO on Thursday, they will have to wait until next week, so they'll have to wait until when the market opens again. And hopefully this changes, but currently retail investors are driving up the price for NIO. Soon it will be institutional investors because of the NIO event and because how bullish people are going to be. Just watch. So that's my guess, is that it could go up, it could be in the green. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are just for fun. This is my own opinion, so do your own research. But I think that NIO will start seeing some volatility still, because we are under 50 and we're under the all-time high. But keep in mind that as we're leading up into that January 9th event, there is going to be an increase of price, because that event usually shows it shows new developments with like technologies and their batteries and stuff. So it's a really big and important bet for NIO as a company and for EVs in general, because if NIO goes up, that benefits the other EV companies in that market that are competing in that market. So this is very important for NIO. So as we go on and continue the article, it says the development of the yet to be launched sedan is reportedly grounded on the NIO ET preview, and that preview actually debuted at the Auto China 2019 event, and it's basically the first glimpse of what we saw of the EE7 sedan, or the ET7, whatever you want to call it. People say the ET7 because as you look right here at the license plate, it says ET. I'm gonna try to zoom in like extraterrestrial. No, I'm just playing. But it says ET right here. But I think it's gonna be something called like the EE7. That's what most people have been telling me. They've corrected me actually. I've had comments where people are like, "Oh, it's the EE7, not the ET7." Well, whatever it's gonna be called, I don't care. It's gonna be basically this sedan. I might look a little different. Who knows? It may have made changes in the design, but it's gonna look something like this. And so far, the public is actually taking a liking to this sedan and the way it looks. I've had comments, and this is just from my own experience seeing my YouTube comments. People have told me how nice this car looks and how they like the design and everything. So who knows? They might be biased though, as they are NIO investors. But I think that this car is gonna be well received. So it is important that they reveal this car. I think January, on 2021, because this will just set the bar, I guess, for NIO's price in 2021. So if NIO starts trading up because of this reveal of this vehicle, that's gonna be impressive. I mean, it's gonna set hopefully set this company and the stock price of NIO into like price discovery. So we won't even see $57 anymore. We might start going into the 60s, 70s. Who knows? Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but that's just my own prediction of where this could even go. It's just depending on the event and the news that come out from it. But yeah, this is what we currently know right now. And it's that if you go down here, you're just basically comparing the ES8 and then the prices and stuff. This car should be a lot more affordable. I mean, currently the NIO preview concept has the high density nickel cobalt manganese battery pack, and that provides up to 317 miles of range for the sedan. So this is with testing and stuff. Those figures are according to the Chinese version of the European NDEC testing procedure. So take that as you will. If the EPA assessed its abilities, its range will fall to the 240 to 250 miles per charge. So this is essentially saying that at the very least, the EE7 sedan is going to sport a 386 kilometer basically range per charge. So that's actually not that bad. Now if it's the latter, if it's 317 miles instead of 240, you'd be looking at something like 510 kilometers you know, per charge. It could fall in that range is what I'm trying to say. So that's gonna be pretty cool. I mean, to see that in a sedan, because we've only seen you know, the current cars that they're selling, which are the SUVs, the ES8, ES6, and EC6. So recently we've seen NIO give users the ability to upgrade to a 100 kilowatt per hour battery, to just outright purchase it, or to just upgrade to a plan where you're paying about 180 RMB per month or 7,980 per year. Either way, normally before this upgrade plan, the only batteries that were available to NIO users was a 70 kilowatt per hour. So now that you have the option for a 70 and a 100 kilowatt per hour battery, you know, as a NIO user or potential NIO car buyer, you could have the option to actually have a sedan that has either the 100 kilowatt per hour battery or the 70, depending on your needs and depending on how much you want to spend on it. If you're choosing to go with the battery as a service plans and all that comes with it. Keep in mind that this is a huge upgrade from what I was talking about, the range that was initially, you know, being discussed about NIO either being offering the sedan with 240 to 250 miles per charge, or you know, up to 317. Well, this upgrade, if you decide to buy the sedan when it is available to the public, you know, you have the chance to be able to purchase it with a 100 kilowatt per hour battery. And this NEDC range of NIO models can now reach up to 615 kilometers. So that's a lot higher than the 510 kilometers that we were discussing earlier. So this puts us at around, let me do the math. It ends up putting us at about 381. Let me see, 380. That puts us at about 382, around 381 to 382 miles basically per charge. So that's actually pretty impressive when you look at how far they've come and everything, and you compare that. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll definitely update you guys more on what's happening with Xpeng and Li Auto as well, not just NIO, you know, so you guys don't get bored of just me posting NIO videos. But leave a like and comment if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so you guys stay notified of future videos. And free stocks, the links in the description of my video. With Webull, you guys can get literally free money for signing up. Takes less than 5 minutes. Link is going to be in the pinned comment and also in the description. Don't forget about that. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.